Good evening, guys.
Let's see, it's 8:15 in the morning.
How's it over there?
8:15 in the morning. This is a sandstorm.
Well, it's sitting right on top of us here right now.
It was blue a minute ago.
The sandstorm just blew in and the storm clouds are coming. Tim? Okay. Oh boy. You know what, I need to call Papazuko, but really, how long has it been storming there?
Okay, this is what a sandstorm is like in the desert.
Okay, and so it took half an hour for it to reach here.
It rolled in like 5 minutes. Yeah. I mean, it was blue out here a little while ago. It's starting to get in my eyes. You can start to feel it.
Before we cancel, can we wait one more 30 minutes more?
And there's a good chance it might blow over just as fast. Don't know.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Well, at least the Burger King light's on. That's how fast it can happen. Now, you remember I started a minute ago, it was even still blue over there. Start feeling your eyes, Ken.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's 8:15 in the morning, and the sun was shining a minute ago over there. Now we're just all sandstorm. Okay, going back inside.